Yo, check out this Town Hall 10, Max Town Hall 10 3-star. On their number one, Zach. Check this out. Check out this dude's base. He pretty much has a square compartment in the middle, surrounded by a bigger compartment on the outside. So, what Napalm is gonna do right here is he's gonna drop a earthquake to take care of all the walls around this mortar, and then it takes the corner of this wall piece right here that connects the middle. Once you do that and you take this mortar out, you can send in a mass set of witches, and it's because of everything's connected. All these compartments are connected. The witches are going to be unstoppable. He has one Inferno Tower set to single and one set to multi. This is a pretty maxed out base here, so check out the attack. A couple wall breakers. He drops a few minions in the back just to get percentage points. 3 golems go down, bunch of wizzies. Here comes that earthquake. 4 earthquake spells. Look at that. Opens everything wide open right there. Drops his witches, his P.E.K.K.A, his heroes. Here they all come in. See, when you have balloons coming out with CC like that and a dragon, if you drop a raise spell, those golems move so fast that by the time the CC troops catch up to the golems, the CC troops are dead. At this point, he's used all his spells already. Now he's into the middle of the core. Still got a bunch of witches alive. Drops his poison when he sees those skellies. The single target Inferno versus witches. Come on now. Single target Inferno goes down. That BK going beast mode, trying to take out that Archer Tower. Boom. He's gone. Archer Queen is still there. I don't know. You still got a golem beating up on this wall back here. That mortar's distracting from that. Oh, that mortar takes out one of the witches. Check out this attack. I mean, come on, look. That cannon's still locked on that golemite. It's game over. Look at this queen. This queen did a lot of work in this attack. Pretty badass. That lava wall goes down. That, my friends, is a Max Town Hall 10 3-star using 4 quake spells, 1 freeze, and look at that, 7 witches. Nice.